अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं आलू का पराठा। ये ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, डिनर्स के लिए परफेक्ट है, एनी टाइम फूड एक्चुअली। इसके लिए कुछ ख़ास साइड डिश की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, बस दही के साथ या पिकल के साथ भी खा सकते हैं। इंग्रेडिएंट्स एज ऑलवेज मेंशन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। स्टफिंग के लिए पोटैटो फिलिंग रेडी करते हैं। आई हैव टेकन 6 मीडियम साइज्ड potatoes boiled and I've grated them. You can mash them as well. Add a handful of kothmir and pudina leaves chopped. Also add 2 green chilies chopped. If you don't want green chili, you can add red chili powder. Also add 1 large onion finely chopped, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi crushed between your palms. Add half a teaspoon of chaat masala, a pinch of haldi, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix well, make small lemon-sized balls. Cover and keep aside. Now let's prepare the dough. I've taken 3 cups of wheat flour. To this, add 4 tablespoons of Bengal gram flour, chane ka atta. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and knead to a soft dough, adding water and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix well, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into equal portions. Make balls and keep them aside. Take one ball, roll out into a small circle. Add 1 potato ball stuffing. Cover completely and let it look like a parcel, covered parcel. Roll out again as much as you can. Roast on a hot tawa or girdle, adding ghee on both the sides, flipping over when one side is done. Remove to a plate and serve with raita and pickle or just raita. Serve it anytime. It's an anytime dish actually. Very easy to make. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for watching.